Today is the 6th day of September 2024. By the way, so that you don't run away, let me tell you what I want to teach now so that you can stay. Now, yesterday I was teaching and I said that in courtship, both of you ought to see your nakedness. I didn't say have sex. Okay, I will explain that later. So it's causing a lot of commotion. Some people are able to talk, some people are not able to talk, but they are wondering. So I want to teach on it. In fact, yesterday I gave an assignment and I said that what is engagement, what is proposal. I'm getting a lot of responses and I'm thinking, if this is what you know as an engagement, that's the problem. If this is what you know as proposal or dating, the definition of all these things are causing serious problem. Why? Nobody is sitting us down to teach us accurately. I did not say teach us. There are a lot of people teaching about relationship here and there. We're talking about accurately, the way it ought to be. In fact, some of these things also to be backed up by the scriptures, like show us how it's supposed to be. Do you understand? So today, I want to be answering the question that was thrown back to me after yesterday's class, where I taught that when you are in courtship, the male and the female ought to see each other's nakedness. You need to see it. And people are like, why? It's not supposed to be, it's supposed to be in marriage. So now I will start with machine gun, which means that I will fire all of you. Like, it's not going to be funny. Let me not start with machine gun. Let's go like this. In those days, right, if you check the Bible, you will see that the people that are of age to get married, it's their fathers that used to go and get wife for them. In those days, Bible days, I'm starting from Bible days. Okay, let me take it back before Bible days. God was the one that gave a man a wife. Do you understand? God gave a man a woman. Now, fast forward, things start evolving, because I will show you the evolvement, or whatever it's called, how we evolve different things in different areas. The same Bible says that we use earthly things to explain spiritual things.